Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today's this video lecture we will start the chapter of first chapter, philosophy of measurement. Okay, so in this chapter first of all introduction of measurement. Okay, so in our engineering field or any scientifically field like scientific technology developers, okay, so all types of that kinds of field, they have also useful for measurement, means measurement should be accurate and error should be minimum in the measurement. Okay, so all types of field there are lots of measurement and measuring systems. Okay, so measurement is what is measurement? Measurement is compare the original value to the standard value. Okay, means measured value to the standard value. So all we have to knowledge about the measurement and what kinds of data we have to find. Okay, so there are two main मीनिंगफुल मेजरमेंट अब हमको चाहिए तो क्या होना चाहिए कि कंपेरेबल क्वांटिटी पैरामीटर है वो हमें एक्यूरेटली डिफाइंड होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड द मेथड कंपैरिजन है वो साइंटिफिकली भी प्रूव होना चाहिए. ओके, सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट लाइक वोल्टेज, करंट एंड मैकेनिकल मेजरमेंट आल्सो स्पीड. लाइक for the example we have to measure the mechanical rotation speed in the revolution per minute. Okay, means rpm, बराबर. So in that may involve collecting the knowledge of or data of the shaft rotational speed in mechanical form and then converting into the electrical or the electronics form, which have further processed and the convert into number. Okay, so all the measurement is that kinds of. Okay, first of all given data and then convert mechanical into electrical and any kinds of comparison. Okay, so measurement is very important in all the industry and all the life of our phenomena. Okay, so methods of measurement. Okay, measurement method कौन सी होती है? So first of all first is direct measurement and indirect measurement. Okay, so what is direct measurement and indirect measurement? Okay, so direct method measurement is nothing but the unknown quantity is directly compared with the standard quantity. Okay, unknown quantity से हम directly measure करते हैं, बराबर. This method is very accurate method and low time consuming method. Okay, in direct method example was the physical balance directly measures the weight of the matter. Okay, or the in electrical side we suppose we have in any circuit there are any ammeter, means ammeter is directly measure the current of the circuit. Okay, so any circuit ammeter, I will put the ammeter in series, so ammeter will directly indicate the current, means in ampere. Okay, so it direct comparison method or direct measurement. Okay, second is indirect method. So many times there are difficult to find the direct measurement. Okay, so first of all we have to convert any measurement into any form. Okay, डायरेक्ट मेजरमेंट है वो इनएक्यूरेट रिजल्ट हमें देता है मेनी केसेस में. ओके, सो डायरेक्ट मेथड इज रेयरली प्रेफर्ड फॉर द मेजरमेंट. ओके, डायरेक्ट मेजरमेंट का वो डिसएडवांटेज है कि वो समटाइम्स हमें इनएक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स भी दे सकता है. ओके, मीन्स I have find the current, but in ammeter there are many types of error and that. So many times there are not possible to directly measure the any quantity, then we will prefer the indirect method of measurement. Okay. So in indirect measurement method, the physical parameter of quantity are measured by the direct method, and then the numerical value of the quantity is determined by the mathematical relationship. Okay, means here one example that the length, breadth and weight of the substance is measured by the direct method, and then by help of given relation the weight of the substance is known. Okay, weight is what? Length into breadth into height, then we will find the mathematical relation. Or in electrical example, like any electrical circuit. Okay, so I put ammeter in series and voltmeter in parallel. Okay, so I have to find the power. So power is what? V into I, voltage into current. Okay, so ammeter gives the current and voltmeter is gives the voltage, and then power V into I will find the power by indirect method. Okay, so any question you have to, so any query, then you can ask me. Okay, so that is direct measurement method and indirect measurement method. Okay, so next topic is measurement system. So in measurement system there are two types of units. Okay, like direct measurement method and indirect measurement method. Then measurement system में हम two units find करेंगे. ठीक है, first is fundamental units. Okay, so what is fundamental units? So the units which are independent of each other, then it is known as fundamental units. Okay, so फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स है वो हम फंडामेंटल्स क्वांटिटीज क्या है कि लेंथ, मास, टाइम, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. सो फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स वाज द बेसिक यूनिट्स. ओके, करंट का हम यूनिट क्या है? एम्पियर है, तो वो फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स होगा. ठीक है, फंडामेंटल्स यूनिट के एग्जांपल करंट, फिर लेंथ का मीटर, टाइम का सेकंड, वो हम फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स. ओके, and then second is supplementary or derived units. So derived units are derived from the fundamental units. बराबर. ओके, supplementary और the derived units क्या है कि वो हम fundamental units से हम derived करेंगे. ठीक है, like as for example matter is a fundamental unit of length and second is fundamental unit of time. So meter per second is a derived unit of velocity. Okay, velocity v is equal to क्या होता है? टाइम distance per second, distance divided by time. So distance is derived from meter and time unit is second. So velocity v is equal to meter per second. Okay, और हम फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स करंट का क्या है? एम्पियर है. सो एम्पियर मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर सेकंड. ओके, सो न्यूटन चार्ज पर सेकंड. ओके, current is equal to charge per second. So electric charge is coulomb per second is the derived units of current. Okay, so that has various types of units, fundamental units and supplementary and derived units. Okay, any question then you can ask me in my in comments or any my mail ID or my mobile number. Okay, and then we will classify the measuring instruments. Okay, so first of all, what is measurement? Measurement is what? So measuring instrument. Okay, measuring instrument is what? So measuring instrument is nothing but the device used for the comparing the unknown quantity with the unit of measurement or the standard quantity. Okay, measuring instrument क्या करता है कि जो अननोन क्वांटिटी है उसको स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी से कंपेयर करता है. ओके, इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज कंपेयर दी अननोन क्वांटिटी टू स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी, मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड करंट मेरा 5 एम्पियर है तो अननोन क्वांटिटी क्या है वो कंपेयर करके हमें इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो रीडिंग देगा, बराबर। And further, an instrument may be defined as a machine or the system which is designed to maintain functional relationship between prescribed properties of physical variable and the could include means of communication to human observer. Okay, so मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है वो मशीन भी है कि वो फंक्शनल रिलेशनशिप है वो हमें फिजिकल वेरिएबल एंड प्रॉपर्टीज का देता है, और वो हमें कम्युनिकेट कैसे करता है कि वो डिस्प्ले से हमें ह्यूमन ऑब्जर्वर, हम ह्यूमन ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, ठीक है। ओके, डिस्प्ले इज द कम्युनिकेशन टू द ह्यूमन ऑब्जर्वर। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स। ओके, सो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एब्सोल्यूट एंड सेकेंडरी टाइप, नल एंड डिफ्लेक्शन टाइप, analog and digital type. Okay, so first absolute and secondary type. So what is absolute and secondary type? Okay, so absolute instrument क्या है कि absolute instrument gives the quantity to be measured in terms of instrument constant and its deflection. Okay, means these instruments read quantity under measurement indirectly. Okay, like as in terms of deflection or in terms of degree and meter constants also. Okay, the actual value under measurement can be calculated by using the formula. What kind of formula? Is equal to deflection multiplied by the constant of meter. Okay, so that is give the term in instrument constant and its deflection. Okay, so example of absolute instrument was tangent galvanometer and current balance meter. ओके, टेंजेंट गैल्वेनोमीटर है वो क्या करता है कि वो हमें डिफ्लेक्स करता है, और हम डिफ्लेक्शन एंड उसके कांस्टेंट्स से हम एक्चुअल वैल्यू है वो हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो इन सेकेंडरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, what is secondary instrument? So this instrument read the quantity under measurement directly second instrument है वो directly measure करता है। okay, so second instrument the deflection gives the magnitude of electrical quantity to be measured directly. okay, these instruments are required to be calibrated by comparing with the another standard instrument before putting into use. okay, before the use we have to calibrate that kinds of secondary instrument with the standard instrument. okay, कोई भी हम स्टैंडर्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट है हमें एमीटर चाहिए तो एमीटर का हम कैलिब्रेशन करने के लिए और स्टैंडर्ड एमीटर जो अच्छा वाला है वो हम लगाकर हमें उससे कैलिब्रेट करते हैं। ओके, सो सेकेंडरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट। ओके, सो सेकेंडरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के भी अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं। ओके, and the secondary instrument is commonly used in the lab. okay, such as ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter and energy meter. okay, so that are commonly used in the laboratory. okay, and further secondary instrument is classified into first of all into following types, means indicating instrument, integrating instrument and recording instrument. okay, so this is discuss in next video lecture. okay.